Hi, Jim.
Wait, you can see me?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yeah.
Can you see me now?
Yep. And it's so clear I can also see that mustard stain.
Don't miss a thing with RemoBell S, one of the widest fields of view and fastest responding doorbells in the industry.
Can you see me now?
Poor Jim.
Greet your guests, monitor your home, and secure your loved ones with the easy-to-use RemoBell S.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi Shirley, you home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, good. Thought I'd missed you. I have a couple of packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put them round back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi Mum.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.
Got your package?
You can just leave it. Thanks.
Hello? Can I help you?
Hello?
Hello?
Our homes are getting smarter every day. We have smart TVs, smart locks, smart thermostats, and even smart fridges. As everything gets smarter, we start to realize the things that still aren't. Introducing the iseeBell. iseeBell is a direct replacement of your current doorbell with some extra features.
Hello?
Hello, package for Chick Lewis.
Oh, awesome. Could you leave that at the front door, please?
All right.
Great, thanks a lot.
It has a HD camera with a 185-degree field of view and built-in speaker, enabling two-way communication. iseeBell is not just limited to your front door. It is weatherproof, so you can use it all around your house as security cameras, wherever you want to see, including indoors. iseeBell also has infrared and lets you also see at night, even when your lights are off. iseeBell installation is simple. Remove the old doorbell, attach iseeBell, then secure it with the included security bolt. iseeBell can run off existing power that your doorbell currently uses and doesn't require changing of batteries or running new wires. When iseeBell senses motion or someone rings iseeBell, you will receive notifications on your smart device. Then use your smart device to live view, take a snapshot, and even record directly to your smart device.
Yeah, hi, I'd like to report some suspicious activity at my house.
iseeBell also gives you the ability to tie in with electronic and magnetic locks.
Hello?
Oh, hello. We're here at the house.
Okay, great. Let me give you access.
Giving you the ability to even let your guest in remotely.
Got it.
Great, thanks.
iseeBell is a great add-on to rental homes, offices, pool areas, almost anywhere you would like to have extra security and remote access. So add convenience and security to your smart.
A Wi-Fi doorbell and smart home hub. Featuring an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view. Dual band Wi-Fi makes connecting to your router fast and easy. Hear your chime anywhere with the included Zmodo Beam. Beam also works as a Wi-Fi range extender, ensuring the Greet has great signal. See who's at the door and even speak with them, all through the Zmodo app.
Hi.
Hi, I've got a delivery for Mrs. Anderson.
Great, just leave it at the door, thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Greet saves video clips when motion is detected, even if nobody rings. Can't answer a door right away? Greet supports pre-recorded messages to play to your visitors.
Sorry, I can't come to the door right now. Please give me a call if it's urgent.
Review all your alerts in the Zmodo app. They're stored safely in the cloud for access up to 36 hours later. And when you don't want to be disturbed, Greet can be scheduled to silence the chime for a peaceful night of sleep. Zmodo's wireless cameras are compatible with our new cloud recording service. Each camera includes a free 30-day trial. Choose between our 7 and 30-day recording plans. Access your footage anywhere. Security is always the priority. That's why Zmodo's cloud recording uses bank-level encryption to protect your video.